We'll guide you through how to deploy Vercel v0 with ease. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Vercel website and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can easily sign up using your GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Vercel dashboard. Here, click on the New Project button. This will take you to a page where you can import your project. Vercel works seamlessly with Git repositories, so you need to connect your GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket account if you haven't already. Select your repository from the list that appears. After selecting your project, Vercel will automatically detect the framework you're using and configure the settings. You can review these settings and make any necessary adjustments. For instance, you might want to customize the build and output settings if your project has specific requirements. Once you're satisfied with the configuration, click on the Deploy button. Vercel will then build and deploy your project. This process might take a few moments, so be patient. Once the deployment is complete, you'll see a confirmation message, and you can view your live site by clicking on the link provided. It's that simple. Vercel also offers options to customize your domain, set up environment variables, and integrate with other services, which you can explore further if needed. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.